Mustang Coupe.
Absolutely gorgeous. I think this is an original paint job. I've seen imperfections on here. That usually gives away original paint. But there it is. 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. 427 V8, 4-speed manual, love it. Maroon saddle interior, mileage 51 and change, and stock number 736. There you go, it's a good view of the interior. The custom interior. That's custom, right? Am I right? It's gotta be custom. There it is. Looks like bias ply tires too, which is, they might be radials look like bias ply, but it looks very, very stock. But is it? Is it stock? That doesn't look stock to me, but guys, then again, I don't know a lot about Corvettes. I just love the body style, and I focus on them. Oh, Corvette Stingray. I don't know if you can read that or not, but you can freeze that frame if you want to read the details about this car, and you know more about it than I do during this video shoot. Antique vehicle. It looks real. It's got all the imperfections of a real car. So, actually, tributes are real too. Don't get me wrong, I don't want to phrase it that way. T-bird. Dun dun dun! Dun dun dun! Looks like a 70. Looks like a 70 shaker hood. For those of you that don't know what a shaker hood is, I know some of you are shaking your heads. Of course we know what a shaker hood is. A shaker hood is, yeah, this is definitely a 70. Shaker hood is this. This is on top of the air cleaner underneath this hood with these hood pins. So when you're getting on it, when I was driving that 70, that Grabber Green 70, about, I want to say 5 years ago, over at Mustang Country, that thing was bouncing around like crazy. Probably the mounts were a little bit loose, but it's really cool to get on the engine, which is easy to do with a car like this, and watch that shaker move, because it shakes. That's why it's called a shaker hood. And of course, it's a 1970. I know this car. I've driven this car. Not this car, but I've driven a Boss 302. But this is a 1974 Mustang Mach 1. And it's got a Cleveland 351, 300 horsepower. That's a lot for that car, for that engine. 2006 total restoration.